Hello and welcome to Tech Musk. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the topic what if the sun goes out for 24 hours. If the sun were to suddenly disappear or go out for 24 hours, the entire world would be plunged into darkness. This would be a catastrophic event that would have far-reaching consequences that could impact every aspect of our lives. Without the sun's light and heat, the earth would be a cold, lifeless place. The first and most immediate consequence of the sun going out would be the total loss of light. This would be a shock to the system for many people, as we are used to having a certain level of light at all times. The darkness would be all-encompassing, and people would struggle to see even a few feet in front of them. This would make movement and travel extremely difficult and dangerous. Without the sun, the Earth's temperature would quickly drop to below freezing. This would be disastrous for all life on the planet, as many species would struggle to survive. Humans would be no exception, as we are not equipped to deal with such extreme cold. We would need to find a way to stay warm, which would be a challenge in itself. The loss of the sun's energy would also mean that photosynthesis could no longer take place. This would be catastrophic for plant life, as they rely on photosynthesis to create the energy they need to survive. Without plants, the entire food chain would be disrupted, and many animals would struggle to find food. This could ultimately lead to mass extinction events. The impact of the sun going out would be felt around the world, as it would disrupt power grids and communication networks. The loss of electricity would be a major issue, as it powers everything from hospitals to transportation. Without power, many people would be left in the dark, unable to access essential services. The lack of sunlight would also have an impact on mental health. Many people suffer from seasonal affective disorder, which is caused by a lack of sunlight. Without the sun, this disorder would affect almost everyone, leading to widespread depression and anxiety. The sun going out for 24 hours would also have a profound impact on the world's economy. Without sunlight, many industries would grind to a halt, including agriculture and manufacturing. The cost of this event would be astronomical, and it would take years for the world to recover. If the sun went out for 24 hours, it would also impact the planet's magnetic field. The sun plays a vital role in protecting the Earth from the harmful radiation that is emitted by the sun. Without this protection, the planet would be bombarded by radiation, which would have a significant impact on the ozone layer. The loss of the sun's energy would also mean that the Earth's atmosphere would start to cool and contract. This would have a significant impact on the world's weather patterns, as the Earth's climate would be thrown into chaos. This could lead to extreme weather events, including hurricanes, tornadoes, and blizzards. If the sun went out for 24 hours, it would also have a profound impact on our understanding of the universe. We have long relied on the sun as a constant in our lives, and the sudden disappearance of this star would force us to reevaluate our understanding of the cosmos. In conclusion, if the sun were to go out for 24 hours, it would be a catastrophic event that would impact every aspect of our lives. From the loss of light and warmth to the disruption of the food chain and economy, the consequences of this event would be far-reaching and long-lasting. It is a sobering reminder of just how much we rely on the sun for our very existence. And that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and sticking around until the end. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And as always, if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Your support means the world to me. Until next time,